Hello and welcome to the MetalFab YouTube channel. Today we're going to be introducing you to our Temp Guard chimney products. Temp Guard is an all-fuel chimney. We call it an all-fuel because it's approved for use with wood and coal and oil and gas type of products. We have two different versions of Temp Guard. We got a Temp Guard product that has ceramic fiber insulation, like this piece right here. We also have some Temp Guard products that are air insulated, don't have the ceramic fiber insulation. So all of our Temp Guard products have a stainless steel flue material. The majority of them are going to have a galvanized steel material like you see right here. There are some Temp Guard products that offer a stainless steel outer casing material depending on the product itself. And depending on the product, it's either going to be listed to UL 103 or UL 103 HT, both of which have a 1,000-degree continuous temperature rating. So if you keep in mind that lead melts at 640 degrees, you know this pipe is rated for some high temperature applications. So that's a quick little intro. Tune in to the next segment and we'll get more specific on insulated products compared to the air insulated products. Okay, so for segment 2, what we're going to focus on of our Temp Guard products is specific to the insulated products. So here's a 6-inch diameter piece of Temp Guard all-fuel chimney, and the connection method is simply a twist lock. I have a button on one end, I have a relief on the other end. If I line them up and I push the pipes together, then I can go ahead and get my twist lock, and there I've got a nice secure connection. If for some reason I want to back it off, I untwist it. Real quick and easy to install. Real easy to disassemble if for some reason you think you have to take this pipe apart. The other thing about it that we get a lot of positive feedback on is the weight. As you can see, I'm throwing this stuff around. It's I'm not pulling any muscles or anything. Here's a good comparison. This piece of pack product is about the same weight of our 2-foot length. So I'm going to roughly estimate the ceramic fiber insulated product about half the weight of a pack product. So those of you who are climbing up on roofs would really have an appreciation for that. Okay, so back to the product. 6-inch diameters through 18-inch diameters. The 6-inch through 12-inch diameter products all have this twist lock that I just showed you. They also have a UL 103 HT rating. HT for high temperature. What that translates to, it's rated for 1,000 degrees, continuous temperature, intermittent temperatures up to 2,100 degrees. Now the 14, 16, and 18-inch diameter insulated products are listed to UL 103. It's still 1,000 degrees continuous temperature with an intermittent temperature rating of 1,700 degrees. As I stated before, lead melts at 640 degrees. This stuff is rated for some high temperature applications. The connection method on the 14 through 16-inch diameter product is a male-female, where you're going to use 1/2-inch long self-tapping sheet metal screws to make that connection. Simple, fast, lightweight, easy to install. Clearance to combustibles. We have a 1.5-inch clearance to combustible, and to the best of my knowledge, this is the only product that has a 1.5-inch clearance to combustible on the 6, 7, and 8-inch diameter product. The other products are going to have a 2-inch clearance to combustible. Limited lifetime warranty on this that covers defects in materials and workmanship, and all the accessories that you would expect to go with it. 15-degree elbows, 30-degree elbows. Have all your different flashings and supports, and then we have a couple different caps that we offer. So on our spark arrestor cap, you could get a rain cap for this if you're doing something with oil and you don't feel the need to have a spark arrestor cap, but the majority of stuff we sell, it has a spark arrestor cap on it. If you notice this one, it's got a twist lock on it. It's just like the twist lock I showed you earlier, but we also have an option for you. Some installers prefer to have a detachable cap. This looks exactly the same, right? But there's no button, there's no bead on it down here. So now I can simply just put this cap on. I don't have to do a twist lock. And where that really comes in handy is when I want to take that off to clean the chimney, I don't have to get that twist off to to lift up. I can simply remove the screws that I used to set the cap in place and lift straight up, and it'll come right off. Pretty good fit, isn't it? And lift straight up, and it comes off. So, excellent product offering. It's going to work for all different types of applications. Again, regardless of whether you're doing gas, oil, coal, wood, this is a great all-fuel product. Tune in for segment 3, coming right up. Hello and welcome to segment 3 on Metal-Fab Temp Guard all-fuel chimney products. Today we're going to be taking a look specifically at the air-cooled products. Here's a sample here, and what you'll notice is there's no ceramic fiber insulation in between the inner flue and the outer casing because these are air-cooled products. Like all Temp Guard products, this is double wall. All Temp Guard products have a stainless steel inner flue material. The air-cooled Temp Guard all-fuel chimney products have an outer casing material of galvanized steel. These are available in 8-inch diameter through 16-inch diameter, so they're going to be able to cover any of the applications that you're coming up with in the field. We've got a full product offering. Here's an example of a lightweight elbow. Of course, we're going to have your anchor plates, support plates, and the rest of that. The connection method is a button lock design where on one end of the product I'm going to have a button, and on the other end of the product I'm going to have a relief that's designed to engage that button when I put a couple pieces together. So when I do that, I have a safe, secure, quick, and easy installation. When I get to the cap, I don't want the cap to have this button lock feature. I want to be able to easily remove that cap when I come by to do cleaning and inspection. So here's the cap, and you'll notice on the relief here, it's gone. There's no button lock on the cap. I'm going to use screws, simply zip in some screws, make the connection. That's going to allow me to easily remove the cap when I come by to do an inspection and do some cleaning. These products are listed to UL 103. That's good for 1,000 degrees continuous temperature, 1,700 degrees intermittent temperatures. They have a 2-inch clearance to combustible, limited lifetime warranty, and this is important. These products are only approved for use on masonry fireplaces. So if you had an existing masonry fireplace that you want to put an extension on because the owners are putting a second floor in the house, that type of thing, or if you buy a prefabricated masonry chimney, these products would be approved for use with that as well. So that's a good introduction to our air-cooled chimney products. If you have any questions, anything we can do to assist, please contact us at your convenience. Thanks again for joining us.